What's up, everyone? Aaron Schatz here, Editor-in-Chief of ASE Publishing, and today we've got another unboxing for you. This time it's the ANC032 wireless ANC headphones from Avantree. This is an unboxing, right? But before we get started on this unboxing, let's take a little trip down here. And you'll see a red subscribe button. You should click that, be informed of all the actual unboxings, all the reviews that we do. Additionally, my personal channel, Aaron Schatz, actually has Tech Talks now, which includes a lot of technology content and some quasi-non-reviews and stuff. Different than the content you'd see here, but very similar in the actual way it's presented. Still me, it's still on this table, and still talking about technology. So you should give that a shot. Link in the description below. But this is an unboxing, and here's the box. Let's get started. Got my trusty knife here. So this I actually bought for myself because I really needed a pair of noise-canceling headphones when I go on trips and stuff, on like airplanes. And I know that, you know, they have very expensive types of things from Bose. Sony makes them. They work. But you know what? I just wanted a cheap, inexpensive pair. These were like 50 bucks. I needed Bluetooth. I needed a microphone on them because I didn't want to carry like anything additional. So when I'm on a trip, I'd be able to use these as like an actual headset as well. And I really hope that the noise canceling features work. And I get it, it's not going to be as good as probably, but we'll see. That's what a review is all about. The other thing that I actually had a requirement for was actually folding flat. So as you can see here, open the box, you can see that the ear cups lay flat. So when I actually put this in my laptop bag, I can actually put it on my laptop. I don't like when they actually do this. So these, I think, do this as well. They like fold in like this. And the reason I don't like that is because it takes a lot more space this way. So you'd have to actually put this in like, you know, the pouch or something. And I wanted to leave it in the actual laptop compartment itself, flat like this. And this should work fine. So these do both, and that's good. These are basically active noise canceling too. What else do you get in here besides these guys? Again, Bluetooth, so wireless. It's got a microphone, active noise canceling. It's got a micro USB charging cable and a, well, that's interesting. It's got a 3.5 millimeter wired connection for listening to music. But the interesting part about this is it doesn't have 3 poles in here, or I guess 4 for the actual ground, which means that this is not going to carry probably microphone. So it's probably just music only, like basically headphones only. Again, not a big deal. It's got Bluetooth, it's got a microphone, so I'm not actually sure how that's going to work. We'll figure that out in testing. You can see that there's a little microphone hole here. Let's just see. Oh, it comes with a little, you got some desiccant here, always important. And a little carrying pouch. Oh, and all this literature right here. So that's all fancy. So these are over-the-ear headphones, but let's just see how they actually fit. So this is the right, and this is the left. So I can tell you right off the bat, boy, this has got to be for like really large heads. But you know, the passive. Just the actual like placing it on your head, passively you could tell they're blocking out some sound already. We'll get into this in the full review, but I actually wanted a light pair of headphones also, and these are fairly light as well. For again, these are traveling, so they're not. Don't get me wrong, they're not. This is just my initial take. They're not as big or as comfortable as previous sets of headphones, especially the gaming ones I had. But I think for travel, these are the right size, so we'll just see if they work well. And if you want to see the review, hit that subscribe button. And you know what? Leave me some feedback. Love to hear from you. We'll have this review in a little bit. I'm actually going on 2 trips, and by the time I post this unboxing, the review should be in a couple of days, because that's how I'm spacing these things out now. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.